Now that your OSI Wi-Fi video doorbell has been installed, I'm going to show you how to connect it to the Smart Life app. This device supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks, not 5 GHz. If you see 2.4 GHz on the Wi-Fi list, then you will simply select that network. If you do not see 2.4 GHz and you only see one network, then it means you most likely have a smart switching router which automatically selects the appropriate network. So you'll just select that network. Now if you're ready, let's connect the video doorbell to the Smart Life app. First, download the Smart Life app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've downloaded, you will need to make a Smart Life account. Now that we have a Smart Life account set up, we need to add the video doorbell to this app. Open the Smart Life app. Select Add Device in the middle of the screen if this is the first time you're using the app, or click on the blue plus icon on the top right of the screen and select Add Device. Then select Camera and Lock on the left column. Then select Smart Camera Wi-Fi on the right column at the top. It will then say Reset the device. If you've just installed the doorbell for the first time, the red circle of light would have turned a solid red and then started flashing, which means it's ready to connect to the Smart Life app. If you've been waiting for more than a few minutes and the doorbell light is not flashing red, then you will need to reset the doorbell. To do this, you will need to unscrew the security screw at the bottom of the doorbell camera to gain access to the reset pinhole at the bottom of the doorbell. Take the pin and insert it in the pinhole at the bottom of the doorbell. After 5 seconds, you will hear a chime sound. This indicates that the doorbell is now entering pairing mode and the light should be a solid red. Then after 10 more seconds, the red light will start to flash, which means the doorbell is fully reset and ready to connect to the Smart Life app. On the Smart Life app, we're going to select Next several times. We don't need to read the prompts as a recent Smart Life update has made these prompts unnecessary. So just follow along with me. Select Next, then select Next again, select Next, and select Next one more time. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network name, or if you have a smart switching Wi-Fi network, select the network name. Enter your password and then select Next. You will then see a screen that says Detecting Network Status. Then you should see a QR code. Now face your phone towards the video doorbell camera so the camera can scan the QR code. When the video doorbell camera makes a dinging sound, select I heard a prompt. You should also see a flashing blue light. You will then see Connecting Device, which will complete the configuration in about 30 seconds. Once connected, the light should turn a solid blue and you will see the OSI doorbell camera listed under Add Device. Now you can select Done. You will then see Please select the bell type. You have 3 choices: mechanical bell, wireless bell, or no bell. Mechanical doorbell is installed on the wall and is hardwired into the wall. When opened, it has a mechanical chime mechanism with 2 plungers that strike a steel gong plate. A wireless doorbell, on the other hand, plugs directly into an outlet, are quite smaller in size, connect wirelessly to the doorbell, and make a digital recorded chime sound when the doorbell is rung. The majority of households have a mechanical bell. Also, if you install the chime kit that came with this doorbell, then you most definitely have a mechanical bell. So in this case, I'll select mechanical bell, and then press Done. You should now see a live video feed from the doorbell camera. When the video doorbell has been added, select the 3 dots at the top right. Select the camera model at the top of the screen. Here you could change the name. I'm just going to call it Front Door, for example. Then select Save. Let's do a test and exit the Smart Life app and go to your smartphone's home screen. Then go to the OSI doorbell and press on the doorbell button. Your phone should show a notification that someone has rang the doorbell. Select the answer button, which is the green phone icon. You should now see the live video feed from your smartphone. Congratulations, your OSI video doorbell camera is now working.